What if I told you that New Zealand just became one of the most international student-friendly countries in the world? While the US and Australia are tightening student rules, New Zealand just opened its doors even wider for you all. Because starting November 2025, international students are getting more work hours, more rights and more opportunities than ever before. This isn't just a policy update, it's New Zealand's big move to become a global study destination of choice. So stick around because we are diving into everything you need to know about this major shift and how it could supercharge your international education journey from right now. So on Monday 14th July 2025, New Zealand's government announced the International Education Going for Growth plan. The goal? Double the economic value of international education to New Zealand $7.2 billion by 2034. How? By lifting enrolments from 83,700 this year to 1,19,000 by 2034. Why now? Because while countries like the USA and Australia are limiting intakes, New Zealand sees a golden opportunity. In simple terms, they want more students like you and they are making it easier to study, live and work there for you. Let's talk changes and trust me, these are student-friendly upgrades. Work hours increased. From 3rd November 2025, if you are an eligible student, your in-study work limit increases from 20 to 25 hours per week. Whether you are in tertiary education or even a school student in year 12 or 13, this applies with permission from your school and parents. Already on a visa with a 20-hour limit, you can apply for a variation of conditions or wait until your visa renewal. Totally your call. Thirdly, more students now get work rights. Even if you are on a one semester approved exchange or study abroad program, you will now be eligible to work, which wasn't the case earlier. And lastly, changing institutions or study levels. Heads up, you will need to apply for a new student visa, not just a variation. New Zealand wants to keep everything transparent and trackable. Now let's pause here because this update is a game changer. How? More work equal to more income, more flexibility equal to less stress and clearer rules. Yani ki fewer visa headaches. And that's not all, there's more coming. The New Zealand government is already working on more student-friendly changes like a new 6-month short-term work visa for vocational graduates who don't qualify for post-study work rights to help them apply under the Accredited Employer Work Visa, AEWV. Next is easier streamlined processes for applying for multi-year student visas. And guess what? All this comes with a renewed marketing push by Education New Zealand to attract students from high growth markets like India. Minister of Education Erica Stanford made it crystal clear with enrollments rising since 2023, the government now wants to supercharge that growth and cement New Zealand's place as a top education hub. They are banking on global shifts, restrictive policies in other countries, visa issues, rising tuition and offering a friendlier, smarter and more structured alternative. New Zealand knows the value international students bring and they are ready to welcome you. So if you have been dreaming of studying in New Zealand, now's the perfect time to act. You know what all you get? Higher in-study work hours, broader work eligibility, possible job-seeking visas post-graduation and a government actively investing in your success. Want help figuring out your next steps? Then Gradout's experts are just a call away, ready to walk you through your ideal course, visa requirements, budget and everything else. Just fill the Google form, link is in the description box below and don't wait for other countries to change. New Zealand is already doing it right. Hit like, share this with your friends planning abroad and subscribe for more updates that matter. Let Gradout be your study abroad partner because your dream deserves better direction.